If you want bigger arms but don't have the budget or time to join a gym, I know how discouraging it could be. Have you thought about bodyweight training in calisthenics? I was able to work my arms and make them grow doing specific workouts without going to the gym. Forget those misconceptions about needing heavy weights for serious gains. Let's take a look into the world of calisthenics and how to build those sleeve-stretching arms using just your own body weight. Today, we'll debunk some common myths and share 5 essential tips to help you achieve those gains. Get ready to transform your training and sculpt those arms naturally. You will be surprised to learn about an often neglected muscle group. A little more on that later. Building impressive arms goes beyond single-joint isolation exercises. You gotta focus on compound movements. We're talking about exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing your efforts and packing on serious size. Think about it. Pull-ups, for example, are not just a back exercise. They hit your biceps, forearms, and even your core. When you're pulling your entire body weight up, you're recruiting a ton of muscle fibers, leading to greater overall muscle growth. Dips are another powerhouse move. They hammer your triceps, chest, and shoulders. The key here is to maintain proper form, keeping your elbows tucked in and going through a full range of motion to really activate those triceps. And let's not forget about push-ups. A classic for a reason, push-ups target your chest, triceps, and shoulders, building pushing power and overall upper body strength. Vary your hand positions, close grip, wide grip, diamond push-ups, to target different muscle groups and keep those gains coming. Remember, compound movements lay the foundation for serious arm growth. By engaging multiple muscle groups, you're stimulating more muscle fibers, leading to greater overall hypertrophy. Incorporate these exercises into your routine, focus on progressive overload, and watch those arms transform. If you want sleeve-stretching arms, you gotta shift your focus to the triceps. That's right, your triceps make up the majority of your arm's real estate, so if you're neglecting them, you're missing out on major gains. Now, when it comes to tricep training, bodyweight exercises are incredibly effective. Let's start with tricep dips. This exercise targets all 3 heads of the triceps, leading to balanced muscle development. Make sure to keep your chest up and your elbows tucked in for optimal engagement. Close grip push-ups are another great option. By bringing your hands closer together, you shift the emphasis onto your triceps, making them work harder. Remember, proper form is key here, so maintain a straight line from head to toe throughout the movement. And let's not forget about overhead extensions. Using a resistance band or towel, you can effectively target your triceps through a full range of motion. Keep your elbows close to your head and focus on squeezing the triceps at the top of the movement. By incorporating these tricep-focused exercises into your routine, you'll be well on your way to building those horseshoe-shaped arms you've always desired. Remember, consistency and progressive overload are key for continuous growth. Keep watching as we reveal the often neglected muscle group for serious gains. Let's talk about the golden rule of muscle growth: progressive overload. This principle is the cornerstone of any effective strength training program. You see, your body is incredibly adaptable. It responds to the demands you place on it, and this adaptability is what allows you to grow stronger over time. When you consistently challenge your muscles with increasing demands, they respond by getting stronger and bigger. This is how you make real, tangible progress in your fitness journey. It's the fundamental principle behind building muscle, and it applies to bodyweight training just as much as it does to weightlifting. Whether you're lifting heavy weights or using your own body weight, the concept remains the same. Now, when it comes to calisthenics, progressive overload isn't just about adding more weight. It's about finding creative ways to make your exercises more challenging. It's about increasing the difficulty of the exercises you're performing. This can be done by changing the leverage, increasing the range of motion, or adding explosive movements. Let's take push-ups as an example. Push-ups are a classic exercise that can be modified in many ways to increase difficulty. If you're just starting out, standard push-ups might be challenging enough. And that's perfectly okay. But as you get stronger, you need to find ways to make them harder. This is where progressive overload comes into play. You can start by elevating your feet on a bench or a stack of books. This simple change can significantly increase the intensity of the exercise. This increases the angle of your body, putting more weight on your upper body and making the push-up more challenging. It's a great way to keep pushing your limits. As you progress, you can continue to elevate your feet higher or try more challenging variations like decline push-ups. Each step up in difficulty helps you build more strength. The same principle applies to other bodyweight exercises. Whether it's squats, lunges, or planks, you can always find ways to make them more challenging. For pull-ups, you can start with assisted pull-ups using a resistance band or a partner. This helps you build the necessary strength to eventually perform unassisted pull-ups. As you get stronger, gradually decrease the assistance until you're able to perform full bodyweight pull-ups. This gradual progression is key to avoiding plateaus. Once you've mastered those, you can move on to more challenging variations like archer pull-ups or one-arm pull-up progressions. These advanced moves will test your strength and control. The key is to constantly challenge yourself. Never settle for what feels comfortable. Don't get stuck in a rut of doing the same exercises with the same intensity week after week. Variety and progression are essential for continuous improvement. Your body craves that progressive overload, so keep pushing your limits and watch those gains skyrocket. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey of becoming stronger and fitter. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect of muscle growth that often gets overlooked, and that is recovery. This is an area that many fitness enthusiasts tend to neglect, but it's just as important as the workouts themselves. You see, building muscle isn't just about breaking it down in the gym. It's a comprehensive process that involves multiple steps, and each one is vital for achieving your fitness goals. It's about giving your body the time and resources it needs to repair and rebuild those muscle fibers stronger than before. Without proper recovery, you risk overtraining and injury, which can set you back significantly. And that's where recovery comes in. It's the phase where your body does the crucial work of healing and strengthening. When you train, you create microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. These tiny tears are a natural part of the muscle building process and are necessary for growth. This is a natural part of the muscle building process. However, without adequate recovery, these tears can't heal properly, leading to potential muscle fatigue and decreased performance. But it's during the recovery phase that your body repairs those tears, fusing them back together to create thicker, stronger muscle fibers. This is where the real magic happens. So, how do you optimize recovery? There are several key strategies you can implement to ensure your body gets the rest and nutrients it needs. First and foremost, prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is the foundation of effective recovery. When you sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which plays a vital role in muscle repair and growth. This hormone is essential for the recovery process. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to maximize your gains. Next up, nutrition. What you eat can significantly impact your recovery. You need to fuel your body with the right nutrients to support muscle growth. A balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates is crucial. Protein is particularly important, as it provides the building blocks for muscle repair. Without enough protein, your muscles can't recover effectively. Make sure you're eating enough protein throughout the day, especially after your workouts. This will help your muscles recover faster and grow stronger. And finally, don't underestimate the importance of rest days. These are the days when your body can fully recover from the stress of intense workouts. Your body needs time to recover from intense workouts. Without rest days, you risk overtraining, which can lead to injuries and burnout. Don't be afraid to take a day or two off each week to allow your muscles to repair and rebuild. This is not a sign of weakness but a smart strategy for long-term success. Remember, recovery is an essential part of the muscle building process and should be treated with the same importance as your workouts. By focusing on recovery, you ensure that your hard work in the gym translates into real, tangible results. By prioritizing sleep, nutrition, and rest days, you'll optimize your recovery, allowing your muscles to grow bigger and stronger. This holistic approach will help you achieve your fitness goals more effectively. A muscle group that is often neglected that plays a crucial role in overall arm development are the forearms. These muscles are often overlooked in favor of more prominent ones like the biceps and triceps, but they are equally important. Now, you might be thinking, why forearms? I want bigger biceps and triceps. It's a common thought, but let's dive deeper into why forearm training is essential. And while that's understandable, strong forearms are essential for maximizing your gains in other exercises. They play a pivotal role in your ability to lift heavier weights and perform more reps. Think about it, when you're doing pull-ups, chin-ups, or any other pulling exercises, your forearms are what allow you to grip the bar and hold on tight. Without strong forearms, your grip will fail before your larger muscles do. If your grip strength is weak, you're limiting the amount of weight you can lift and the number of reps you can perform. This limitation can significantly impact your progress and overall strength development. This, in turn, hinders your overall muscle growth. It's frustrating to feel like you're not making progress simply because your grip gives out. But strong forearms aren't just about grip strength. They also play a role in stabilizing your wrists and elbows during various movements, reducing the risk of injury. They also contribute to overall arm size and aesthetics. Well-developed forearms can make your entire arm look more muscular and balanced. Thick, muscular forearms give your arms a more complete, well-rounded look. They add to the visual appeal and symmetry of your physique. Plus, they just look badass. There's something undeniably impressive about a pair of strong, well-defined forearms. So, how do you train your forearms? It's simpler than you might think, and you can start incorporating these exercises into your routine right away. Well, the good news is that many compound exercises like pull-ups and chin-ups already engage your forearms to a significant degree. These exercises naturally build forearm strength as you progress. However, you can further enhance your forearm development by incorporating specific exercises into your routine. Targeted forearm exercises can accelerate your progress and ensure balanced muscle growth. One of the simplest and most effective exercises is the farmer's carry. This exercise is straightforward yet incredibly effective for building forearm strength. Simply grab a pair of heavy dumbbells or kettlebells and walk for distance or time. The constant tension on your forearms will challenge your grip and build endurance. This exercise challenges your grip strength and endurance, building those forearms up fast. It's a functional movement that translates well to everyday activities. Another great exercise is the wrist roller. This tool specifically targets the muscles in your forearms, providing a unique challenge. You can easily make one at home using a dowel rod and a weight plate. It's a cost-effective way to add variety to your forearm training. Simply attach the weight plate to the end of the dowel rod, hold the rod with an overhand grip, and roll the weight up and down by rotating your wrists. This movement isolates the forearm muscles and builds strength quickly. Remember, strong forearms are essential for maximizing your gains in other exercises and contribute to overall arm size and aesthetics. Don't neglect this crucial muscle group. Incorporate forearm-specific exercises into your routine, and watch your grip strength and overall arm development soar. Your progress in other lifts will improve, and you'll achieve a more balanced, powerful physique. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Bodyweight Training Tribe for more fitness tips and guides. Remember, building impressive arms with calisthenics is entirely possible with the right approach. Focus on compound movements, target those triceps, and never underestimate the power of progressive overload. And most importantly, listen to your body. Prioritize recovery, fuel your workouts with proper nutrition, and give yourself adequate rest. Building muscle is a journey, not a race, so stay consistent, stay dedicated, and watch those arms transform. Stay tuned for our next video, and keep pushing your limits.